Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake machine. We'll start by understanding the core concept of a simple, effective blending device. You'll discover that creating your own machine is a rewarding project, combining basic electronics and mechanics. We'll cover everything from selecting the right motor to ensuring safe operation, making delicious milkshakes a breeze. Get ready to transform simple components into a functional kitchen appliance. To begin, you'll need a few essential components. A small electric motor, perhaps a 12-volt DC motor, will be the heart of your machine, providing the necessary rotational force. You'll also need a robust mixing rod or whisk, ideally made from stainless steel, to effectively blend your ingredients. Don't forget a stable base to mount your motor and a secure container, like a tall plastic cup, to hold your delicious milkshake mixture. Now let's put it all together. First, securely mount your electric motor onto a stable base, ensuring it's firmly fixed and won't wobble during operation. Next, attach your mixing rod directly to the motor's shaft. This connection must be tight to prevent slippage. Finally, design a simple holder or stand that positions your milkshake container directly beneath the mixing rod, allowing for optimal blending without spills. Precision in these steps ensures smooth functionality. Operating your new milkshake machine is straightforward, but safety is paramount. Always add your ingredients to the container first, ensuring the mixing rod is fully submerged before you turn on the motor. Run the machine for about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your desired thickness. Remember to keep your hands clear of moving parts and always unplug the machine when not in use or when cleaning. Enjoy your perfectly blended, homemade milkshakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.